Hey guys, good morning. So today is a Thursday and I'm to meet up with Wode to create content about colorism. And colorism is a topic that I'm so passionate about, and I've been planning on starting a movement since last year. I wanted to start a movement, and yeah, I'm so happy that he suggested that we make a video on colorism. So hopefully I'm going to meet him today. Let's talk about it. And it was sorry, let me keep this. Yeah. Whew. I don't have a tripod or a camera holder for the car. So we basically going to be talking about bleaching. Nigerians had the highest in Africa that bleached their skin, second highest in the world. So we are really going to talk about it, so stay tuned if you don't want to miss any of it. Okay, I'm a little bit late, but I'll soon be there. Let me just set up my Google Maps because I'm not very familiar with Abuja roads. I have to use my maps, my Google map, to get there.
Head southeast on Nairobi Street toward Paraco Crescent, then turn right onto Paraco Crescent.
Okay, I know my way out of here, but thank you. Whoa. So my map is all set. Let me show you. So this is it. This is how I mount my map when I'm driving. And yeah, it's time to go. I'll see you. Okay, let me concentrate and drive, and then I'll see you soon. Bye. So I just got here, and here this place is beautiful. So I'm here, and Wode is there.
Yo, Wode is here. I am Maya.
Yeah. So he's trying to set up the camera, and yeah, Miss Trudy is over there. Yeah, you're glowing.
Really?
Yes, you are.
I wash my face. I woke up like this.
Okay, so I'm set. Okay, I'm ready. Very soon we're going to go into the shooting. Do you like my hair?
Natural.
Team natural.
Of course, like what? You are good.
Team natural. So, but sometimes I get tired of taking care of the hair because I know hair needs moisture and care. Is it okay?
Yeah, I just think no. Yeah, no bad. I'll change it when I'm editing. Okay. All right, so. Like you are talking, like as if you're on it. See the way she sat, like you're talking to her. That's just. I mean, like turn your butt like
this.
Okay, good. Like this a conversation.
Yeah, just good.
Let's talk about colorism in Nigeria. Before I came to Nigeria, I read on the internet that Nigeria is the second, like women in Nigeria is on the second list, right? People who are bleaching. Do you know that?
Yeah, I just found out. Yeah.
You just found out, and Nigeria is
Yeah.
behind what?
India.
India.
Yeah.
So which means I'm not making things up. You can check online, you see it yourself. And being a skincare YouTuber, vlogger, why do you think that a lot of Nigerians are bleaching their skin?
That their skin is beautiful, and they should learn to appreciate their skin and love their skin, because I think that's where the problem comes from. They think they have this misconception in their head that maybe light-skinned people get more favor, light-skinned people get more attention, you know, all the good things,
But
they get the job role.
You don't believe that?
I don't believe that.
No.
I don't.
I'm gonna support team black in here. Okay, because here in Africa, let's talk about like the movie industry in Ghana, Nigeria. Most of the time they prefer the white light-skinned ladies more than the even music videos. You don't think so?
No, I don't think so. Not in all music videos.
Yeah, but some, most of them.
No, not most of them. No, I disagree strongly.
Wow.
Yeah, it depends on what the person is looking for.
So I'm done with my video with Wode Maya. I was recording and then the stuff just went off. I don't know what really happened there. But then I'm here with
Rax Niger.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
So I just met him here and he said he has been watching my videos. He sent me a DM, which I obviously did not see.
Yes, nice. I sent that DM like a long time ago.
And then you did not try to reach out again. So bad.
No, you know, I thought probably you don't like. You know, there are most people that don't like this DM stuff now. So
No,
I'm
it's
happy.
not bad.
I'm happy. I'm with you. Yeah, sure. I'm happy.
So we're going to be making a video
Very
together.
soon, yeah.
Yes. And then I also met another YouTuber, Mabel, over there. I'll soon show you.
Hello guys.
Yeah. Okay. Say hello. Hello. She's on phone.
I'm gonna call you back. Are you filming?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god, you guys, hi. So watch this.
Let me check if this will work. So this is Mabel.
Hello guys, yes, I'm Mabel, and I'm a YouTuber, Abuja based as well. You can check out my channel, Mabel's channel, that's the name, or you can search for Mabel Ranziz, R-A-N-Z-I-Z.
Okay, so what do you do?
I'm so happy that I'm meeting you, like I'm so happy, so
and
happy.
I'm so happy to meet you because I
So
really
we're
want
like
to...
the team natural, can you see our natural hair?
Yeah, and this is the natural hair.
Yes.
That is so beautiful.
Thank you.
See the natural locks and all that. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much.
How long
So,
have you had this lock?
5 years.
5 years.
Yes, 5 years and 5 months.
Wow, that's a long time. And you've never gotten bored of it?
Never. I've not even started. No, I've never gotten bored because it's been like a journey for me. I started out when I cut my hair to start, so I'm enjoying the growth process because the hair started growing again. So the whole journey is just interesting for me, and I don't like to make my hair anyway. Like,
Yeah,
I don't like
me too. I don't like to make my
Oh
hair.
really?
Yeah, I don't.
Maybe sometimes I even cry.
That is why most of the time I just like to use wig, cover it up, and then
Yeah, I don't like to make my hair, so this is like the best thing for me. I really like it a lot, and I'm always hoping and praying for it to go longer.
hair, like
and
to
all
waist
that.
length and all
Yes,
that.
you guys, you don't even know how pretty she is. She's so pretty on ground. Like, just think about these videos. She's so fine. If you see her
Thank you.
skin,
I'm blushing.
like she's so fine. I'm not even lying. Like, you're really pretty. You're really, really pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we're going to be making,
Yeah.
we'll collaborate on our channel
Yeah.
soon.
Very soon, guys.
Yeah, so when the video is up, I will share it with my community so they can see it.
You guys, thank you so much. Like, it's a privilege to meet you and even to be here and to even meet you guys. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.
Alright, your channel name again?
Mabel's channel.
Okay, Mabel's
M-A-B-E-L'_S channel. So Mabel's channel.
Alright,
Just
so do check her out and subscribe.
Please guys, thank you so much. Thank you.
Alright, I love your meal. So just like I told you earlier, I'm done and I'm out here. I really love this place because it has very beautiful trees around and flowers, and I just love
love vegetation. I go crazy when I see plants, I see natural stuff, you know, rocks and all those things. Just makes me like, wow, it's so beautiful. This place is really, really so beautiful. So I'm just waiting for Wodemaya. He's all set to go. He's waiting for Miss Trudy to come out so they can go to the airport. So I'm going to have him talk to you guys and advise you on, if you want to, you love what he does and you're trying to do what he does and get tips from him. Yeah, so I'll make him to give you guys some tips on how to do what he does. Yeah, maybe travel, if you want to travel and get to meet so many people and work with people. So let's wait for him. Go, 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 go. What do you think about my hair today? This hair was a lot of struggle, but I'm glad it came out well. Guys, I've not eaten since morning. So this morning I took dogoyaro, that is neem. So neem leaves. I actually boiled it. I started taking it yesterday. I boiled it very well and then drank it. So neem is very good for the skin. It's good for the skin, it's good for the body, it's good for your system. It kills malaria. So I'm actually drinking it for malaria and typhoid. Malaria, because I took some malaria drugs and then it did not really work, because when I traveled to Lagos I had this malaria that I had to take some drugs. So when I came back I was still feeling sick, so I had to go the natural way because I've always been doing natural. My parents actually forced us to go natural. So Wodemaya is here. So I was just telling them that that I'll ask you to give them some tips. So because so many people love what you do and they would like to be like you, so you can give them some tips.
Tips in growing your YouTube channel?
Yeah, growing your YouTube channel, traveling.
Yeah, first of all, I'll tell people out there to be real. You know, YouTube, if you're not real, it will be hard, man. Like, if you're not real, if you don't love what you're doing, you will definitely not have, how do you call it? You know, because sometimes you don't get views. You know, you can do a video, you have 1 million views, the next video you do, you have like 1,000 views. Yeah. So if you don't have the love for it, you definitely give up.
Get discouraged.
Exactly.
And like, I'm not doing it again.
You know, I'm in Nigeria. When I started coming to Nigeria, I started getting 100,000 views. But now I'm here, I'm still in Nigeria and I'm getting like 20,000. No, it has reduced from 100,000 to what? 20,000. But that does not mean that I need to give up on what I'm doing. I need to keep doing my thing because I'm here for the content, not for the views. You know, so I just want to create content, share the story out there, and then when I'm done, I'm out. So one more city to go, one more state to go. When I'm done, I'm just...
Which is where?
Calabar. I'm going to Calabar right now.
Yeah, will you go to the Slave Trade Museum?
That's where I'm going.
Okay, yeah.
Because I need to create content over there.
You'll see a lot, but I don't think they'll allow you to go in with your camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna go first, go talk to them. I just have 3 days over there, so I'm gonna do everything in a hurry just to see whether they'll allow me to talk.
Okay, go to Twin Island.
Twin Island?
Yes, where Maurice Lezo used to hide the twins.
Wow.
Yeah, then you go to where El Museum, Lord Lugard house. Wow. Yeah, when you know the first colonial master. Yeah, you go to his house, but they don't still allow.
They still don't allow camera. That's one thing.
But,
but I'll
they
try
allow camera in the premises, but not inside the house.
Yeah, I'll see whether I can use my camera there. You know how we do it. It's all about trying your best.
Trying and maybe explaining to them. Maybe they'll let you.
Yeah, but some people too, they have to be consistent. You know, you can't do video 1 month and 1 month later you can't.
Yeah, that is a big one. Consistency.
You know, that's what I'm telling you. If you can even upload daily, do it. Because some of us do YouTube as our full-time job, so we have to upload 2 videos a day. No, it's just like working, you know. You go to your office, you have to work from 8 to 5.
Yeah, so and every day, the next day you go, and the only days you don't go sometimes weekend,
exactly. But some of us, we just take 1 day rest, but all days we are working. some of you are also saying that YouTube is not worth it, but hey,
it is. You know, some people say YouTube don't pay.
That's what a lot of people are saying.
YouTube don't pay. They're just
How can
lying.
I travel? How can I travel? I've been in so many countries now, and the more I travel, the more like I get more money on YouTube.
Yeah, and
so
the more
I don't.
you grow.
The more I grow, so the meaning is that I don't even lose anything traveling.
And you get to meet so many people. That is just the fun part of it.
Oh my God, man!
You meet
The
so
people you
many
meet.
people.
It's just amazing. Look at me, standing here with 600,000 YouTuber. Oh, I never imagined. Oh.
And look at me standing here with wode Maya. I'm going home right now, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you later, okay? So, bye.
Bye. See you.
Have
Bye-bye.
a really safe trip.
Thank you so much,
And enjoy
Nigeria.
Calabar.
Amazing. Yeah. All right. I'll see you in my next video. I am Maya.
Bye. Whoa. Back. So. Whoa. In here it's really hot. Again, I need to get this off. Remember, filters are great, but a great skin is better. It's better. Wow, it's hot in here. Where's my Google map? So we're doing the Google map back again. I don't know why I'm so really bad with routes. God help me. God help your daughter, because start.
Head south on Missouri Street toward Colorado Street.
Map is all set up, seatbelt on, and I'm going on. So like I was saying, oh shit. I don't know if you're really seeing me. I think this will be better. I'll try to drive carefully. So I've not really eaten since morning, and I'm going back home to eat. Can you move? Alright, bye. It was really nice.